Welcome back to Auto Drive, your destination for everything on the latest cars, SUVs, and trucks. If you're passionate about performance and innovation, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. In today's video, we're diving into the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro, a true icon in American muscle car history, reimagined with modern engineering and bold design. Stick around till the end for a complete breakdown and key highlights that make this model stand out. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro offers a range of engine options, including powerful V6 and high-performance V8 variants. Depending on the trim, you'll find displacements that push impressive horsepower and torque figures, giving the Camaro its signature roar and track-ready strength. The transmission options include both smooth shifting automatics and enthusiast-preferred manuals, with gear counts that deliver responsive control across all driving conditions. As expected, the Camaro stays true to its rear-wheel drive layout, offering that pure, aggressive driving experience. However, higher trims may include advanced handling tech or even all-wheel drive capabilities. Suspension comes upgraded with an independent setup and finely tuned shocks, ensuring confident cornering and control. The steering is precise, typically rack and pinion, which enhances feedback and maneuverability. Inside, the 2026 Camaro balances sportiness and comfort. You'll find seating for four with premium materials like leather and optional suede inserts. Available features include heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused cockpit. On the exterior, this coupe showcases aggressive styling, sculpted lines, and a bold front grille. Dimensions vary slightly by trim, but it maintains a low, wide stance with a long wheelbase, enhancing both stability and visual appeal. Safety is no afterthought, featuring multiple airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control. Braking performance is top tier, with large disc brakes offering strong stopping power. Infotainment in the Camaro is modern and intuitive, with a large touchscreen, smartphone integration, a premium sound system, and GPS navigation for convenience. Other features include cruise control, power windows, keyless entry, and available sunroof for a touch of luxury. Some trims bring in performance upgrades like sport suspensions, Brembo brakes, and exclusive appearance packages. If you're aiming for a muscle car with both brains and brawn, the 2026 Camaro delivers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Drive for more reviews and exclusive updates. Stay tuned till the very end of each video for the best insights and walkthroughs that help you make the right car buying decision.